Are you trying to configure Gmail as the outgoing server in Vtiger 8.3 and running into frustrating errors? Let's try to configure it. Log in to your Vtiger CRM, navigate to the outgoing server settings, and attempt the configuration. This is the most common error. It appears when Gmail blocks the connection or your SMTP settings are incorrect. After fixing that and attempting the configuration again, you encounter yet another error message. You resolved that as well and tried to configure it once more, but when you try to configure it again, this happens. The outgoing server fields turn blank. Now here's how it looks when everything is configured correctly. Your Gmail server connects instantly. Let's try sending an email from Vtiger 8.3. Select a record and click Send Email and compose the email and click Send. And just like that, the email is successfully delivered. Want to skip the trial and error? Let our experts configure Gmail in Vtiger 8.3 for you. Contact us for more.